How to add music to Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's episode, we're gonna quickly look at how you can add in music that is available on Instagram to your posts. So for that, tap on the plus icon on the bottom. Now select any video or photo that you want to add, and then tap on the arrow on the top right. In the next screen, you'll be able to see an option of music on the top. You can tap on this music icon right here, and once you do that, you'll be able to view different kinds of songs or music that you can add to your post. You can browse through all of these and tap on any one that you want to add. After that, tap on done on the top right, and there you go. Now the music has been added to your post. Now you can tap on next and then post it on your profile. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.